and welcome back to another video. So in this video I tell you how to fix battery drain overnight. One of the main issues that many people face with the iPhones is that the battery does not come with a lifespan that is ideal as they would like it to be. Imagine experiencing such a significant overnight battery drain. It can be extremely discouraging. In this video we will learn causes and the solution of iPhone battery drain overnight. But first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. The first step is check battery health. This is the decent initial step. Whether you are concerned that the iPhone update is depleting the battery or not, your iPhone will prescribe explicit changes in settings to protect iPhone battery duration. And the next step is high display brightness. The brilliance levels of your iPhone screen can likewise influence the speed at your battery channels. The more brilliant the screen, the more power it utilizes. For this, open the control center screen from the top right side and then turning the splendor level down will monitor the battery. Furthermore, it is better for your eyes too. And the next step is too many background apps. The more applications you have downloaded to your telephone, the more they influence your battery use. The greater part of us have downloaded applications that we have since overlooked and accordingly never used. So too many background apps can cause iPhone battery drain overnight. So open the app switcher first from the bottom left side to the center of the screen and then swipe up and close all the apps and you are done. And the next step is picture in picture mode. This is another big reason that cause iPhone battery drain overnight. All you have to do is disable picture in picture mode. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on picture in picture mode and then tap on its toggle button to turn it off and you are done. And the next step is turn off low power mode. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then go to battery and then tap on low power mode's toggle button to turn it off and you are done. And the next step is 24/7 open Wi-Fi. Your iPhone is largely inactive at night. Remove your device from Wi-Fi or a cellular connection to take things one step further. For this, go to settings and then tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on its toggle button to turn it off and you are done. And the next step is screen sleep settings problems. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on display and brightness, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on auto lock feature and then set it to 30 seconds or 1 minute and you are done. And the next step is you have turned on notification for all the applications. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on notifications. Now scroll down to the bottom. From here you can turn off notifications for any app you want and you are done. I hope these solutions will fix your issue of battery drain overnight, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.